All right, let's get you set up with the n8n automation tool right on your Mac.
We're going to get you set up with a self-hosted version using Docker that saves your work.
Okay, first thing you'll need is Docker Desktop. It's pretty much the only prerequisite.
So just head over to docker.com and make sure you grab the right one for your chip.
All right, once it's installed, open Docker Desktop. We're going to use its built-in terminal.
Okay, now we're going to pull the official n8n software package, which Docker calls an image.
Go ahead and run this command. It'll download the latest n8n image to your machine.
And after that's done, you can see the new image right there under the Images tab. Okay, this next part is maybe the most crucial step. We're creating a dedicated data volume. Super simple. In Docker Desktop, just click on the Volumes tab, then Create.
Let's name it n8n data. That way, it's easy to remember what it's for.
All right, volume's ready. Let's head back to our n8n image and hit that Run button.
Okay, a couple of quick settings here. This is how we link things up.
First, we'll map the port. This is what lets you access n8 from your browser. Next, we're linking that n8n data volume we made. This tells n8n where to save your work.
And this is really important. The container path has to be exactly like this. No typos.
Okay, that's it. Now just click Run and your n8n container will start right up.
You'll see a link in the container logs. Just click that to open the n8n editor.
But let's back up for a second. Why did we even bother with that volume step?
Well, here's why. Without a volume, all your work gets deleted every time you stop.
But by using that volume, all your workflows are kept safe, even when you stop the container.
So now you have your own powerful automation engine. The only question left is,